Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm looking at a foldable aluminium laptop stand. Ideally this works with laptop screen size between 10 to 17 inches. Height can be adjusted between 3.14 to 4.33 inches and it supports up to 10 kgs, which is plenty of weight for any laptop. Most heavy laptops do not weigh more than 6 to 7 pounds, which is around 3 kgs. Since it's made out of aluminium, it helps with heat dissipation and will not get hot if you're gaming or pushing your GPU and CPU to the max. My first impression looking at this product is it's pretty well made and is solid in construction. It's made out of aluminium and you can most definitely feel the weight of this stand while holding it for the first time. It has a nice matte finish and doesn't take fingerprints at all. I wish most smartphones will come with similar finish instead of being fingerprint magnets. The bottom chin has non-slip rubber. There's also non-slip rubber on the top side where the laptop will sit on the stand. This makes sure that your laptop will not get scratched in any way by the stand. On the back we also have non-slip rubber on the two locations in contact with your desk to make sure the stand doesn't move around on the table and doesn't scratch your desk either. The folding mechanism is pretty robust to open and close. The stand completely folds on itself, so it hardly takes any space in my backpack. In order to test this, I had to take out my very old HP laptop, which weighs around 6 pounds 4 ounces. It is the heaviest laptop that I have ever used in my life, and my current laptop only weighs around 2.5 pounds. I have used this stand on a regular basis for the last few days, and I have absolutely no problem with the stand not being able to hold its position or wobble around. The stand doesn't go flat due to the weight of the laptop or by the weight of my hands resting on the laptop while typing. In the end, I'm actually pretty happy with this aluminium foldable laptop stand, and I highly recommend that you guys check it out. I will have the link in the bottom if you guys want to buy it on Amazon. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments about this stand in the comment section below. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe to my channel to see more cool tech videos like this. This is Fahad signing out from my channel. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.